Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to use the Perl map function on an array. So basically we're going to triple the values in the first array. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button before we start. It'll take you 1 second. Okay, thank you for doing that. Okay, let's start with the program. Sub map function. Okay, make sure you hit that like button as well. Okay, so we're going to create an array here called I'm going to call it numbers. Okay, so we're going to go something like 10, 20, 30, something like that. That's all we need. And we're going to triple the value of these numbers. So we're going to create triple number. I'm going to assign that to map, and then I'm going to use our little iterator to go over the numbers in there, and then we're going to multiply them by 3. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the first example first, and then we're going to print out the example where the numbers have been tripled. So the first example is going to be print original array. That's going to be numbers. Okay, and then we're going to print the other one. In fact, I'm going to give it a little bit of a pause there. I'm going to make it sleep for 1 second, so we'll get a 1 second pause. So then we're going to print the next one, which is going to be second example, I'll call it. So this is the second example, and that's going to be triple number, a new line there. Okay, all we have to do now is to call the function, so that's called map function. All we have to do, let's save it first and let's run it. Okay, so the original array was 10, 20, 30, and we've tripled it, 30, 60, 90. So there you go. Actually, we've not quite finished the video yet, so let's do another little example, shall we? And we're going to do this with names. So this is going to be sub map function 2. Okay, so we're going to make another array there. So that's going to be, I'm going to call it names again. Why not? That's not numbers, names this time. So that's going to be Bill, Todd. What's another name? Bob. And Joe, the usual suspects in these arrays. Okay, so I'm going to add some comments to them. I'm going to add a comment to each one of these. So I'm going to create comments. I'm going to assign that to map. Again, I'm going to use the iterator to go through these, and we're going to add a comment. Is a nice boy. So we're going to add a comment there. Let's have a look. Let's put that there, so that looks better formatted. And that's going to be names that we're going to go through names. Okay, so we're going to print. I'm going to call this first array. Why not first array? It's going to be names, and I'm going to print second array, which is going to be our array that's been modified with a comment. Okay, and as usual, all we have to do is call the subroutine map function to. Right, let's just save that. Let's run it. We've got a syntax error here. Let's have a look at this. Okay, slight syntax error there. Okay, that should sort it. Syntax error, near names. I see. Okay, so that's okay. That should be good to go now. Okay, so there we go. We've got the original array there, and we've got the second array. Let me just stretch that out with the comment added. So, oh, I could have formatted that a little bit better. Bill is a nice boy. Todd is. Yeah, I should have got a little bit of a gap there, shouldn't I? Let's just stop that and run it again. Save it first. Alright, let's. There we go. That looks a lot better. So, Bill is a nice boy. Todd is a nice boy. Okay, so they're all nice boys. Right then, thank you very much for that, and as usual, I will catch you in another video. And thank you very much for coming along, and see you later. Bye-bye.